Hello everyone, starting my own EMDR practice, I searched out for the best EMDR kit I could find and came across emdrkit.com. They've sent me one of their devices and now I'll be trying to put that into action and show you how it works. So I'm going to start by unboxing it, showing you each of the items and then showing you how they all work. First of all, we have the instruction manual for all the devices and how to link them via Bluetooth. And the pulsators, so these can be linked to the phone and help in trauma by bilaterally stimulating the brain through touch on either hand. The docking station for the pulsators so they can charge. It also comes with a headset for alternating sounds from left to right, giving bilateral stimulation through sound. And finally we have the light bar, the most common way to do bilateral stimulation via a light going left to right.
Hello everyone, so this is probably the most exciting bit of the kit, which is the light tube. So this is what people most think of when they think of EMDR, eye movement, left to right, left to right. So how do you get started? Well, first of all, what it comes as is two separate parts. So it just comes up as a part here. All you have to do is turn it on its side and screw this up tight, and that's sorted. And all you have to do then is put it into there, nice and easy. And you just tighten that, and there you go, it's pretty much set up. One screw for the top, one screw for the bottom, and the legs with a little bit of a twist come all the way out. Some good length on that, and if you just want to push it back in, all you do is that and tighten again. So it's really easy to set up, especially in that way. So that's just set it up like that. Really easy to set up with your phone as well. So there's the EMDR app, which is on Apple and Android. So if you want to just go on that before you buy the kit and you can just have a quick look. I'm just going to open up the phone app now, which should pop up on my side. And if you look at that, so it's called EMDR Kit. If you just put that in on any app store, on that, all you have to do, so as you can see, you've got controls for the light switch. You have controls for the headset and for the pulsators. So you can do the light bar, headphones, pulsators. So first of all you want to do is just go to connect them. So as soon as you turn it on here, you should see, well, let's just hold that down. So now, so if we go cancel on there, yeah, as you can see, it just pops up. So all you do is press that, and now it is connected. So it's moved, the light's moved from there to the middle, and we're now connected. If you just go into that, so you can change the brightness of it, so you can go up and down. So we'll start on medium. You've got the 3 different modes. So you've got sweep, that's the usual from left to right. You got blink, which only does the very ends, and you got the chaos mode, which goes left to right, but it kind of goes forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, taxing the mind that little bit more for processing. So if we can just go back to that then, so I'm just going to show you us pressing start, and there we go. So you can imagine that'd be next to you whilst you're sat in front of the client or patient, and you can just say, right, okay, go with that. Okay, then you press stop, and you'd say, okay, what did you get then? Try and get that a little bit more information, and then you say, okay, go with that. Okay. So that's the light tube. Now I'm going to introduce you to the pulsators. Any questions, just put it down below and I'll follow that up and answer them. Okay. The pulsators. So these just go, place in the hand, and I'm going to show you how you use them and how it comes in the set. So what it comes is with the charging docking station. So these just literally slot in and they're charging. That's easy as that. No cable in between that and that, just locks in. Wireless charging in there. So really easy to use. You'd use these potentially if someone has a difficulty with eyesight, or they got eye strain, or it's impacting them in some way. You could use touch, or you can use the headphones. Or you might need extra taxing on the mind. So this is where you need that little bit extra. Or you do, again, so you they're already flashing. All I need to do is go and connect. So if you look on the other side of the screen, all we need to do is connect. Number one, I've already connected it, but I'll just, if I just go forget and forget, okay. So if we just go into those, Pulsator 1, connect, and Pulsator 2, connect. So that's just to show you. Right, okay, connected. And so if we go to that, you can change the speed in which it goes at, the intensity of the vibration, and then all you need to do is press the start button, and then it's left to right, left to right, left to right. As you can see, it's actually also doing the same thing on the light tube. So it's going left to right, left to right, left to right on the hands as well as on here, so you can link them all up. Okay, so now I'll show you the headset as well, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, and what we also have is the headset that it comes with. So you can either sync that up with the Pulsators or with the light bar. So you get to choose one and you can link them up. Again, really straightforward with this. So this one's linked via Bluetooth. I'm not going to show you the process, same as any kind of headset you'd want to connect. You literally just go on to the Bluetooth settings. As soon as you turn it on, it pops up and you go into any available devices and you just click on it. So as you'll be able to see now, so if we go over to the device, again, all I did was go and connect, go and choose headphone, and then it takes you to your Bluetooth settings. Now we can see they're all linked up. So you can turn on the light tube, so you can have it so that it's the headset and say the light tube. So now the headset and the light tube are linked. So if we do that now, should see. So now I'm getting the same, it's going left to right in my ears. And you can change that sound. So if you look at the app now, I'm changing the sound from clicks, 2 clicks for extra, 1 beep, 2 different types of beeps. So you can change it up. Especially if someone's dissociating or cutting off, that's when you want the different colors, the different sounds, engage them back in. So we'll talk a little bit about window tolerance. That's in one of my other videos if you want to look at that. Try to keep them in that window whilst also processing. Okay, well, as you can see there, that's how you use each of the 3 different devices. And as you can see on the app there, you can use them in different combinations. So at different points, you might want to use Pulsators. At different points, you might want to use the light bar. I hope that's been helpful today, introducing you to each of the different parts of the EMDR kit. Do check them out on the link below. They're absolutely great as a team. I've been talking to Peter, really great guy. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this kit and excellent for your own work and for your own practice. So yeah, give it a go.